Hi, good morning everyone. Or it's morning here. It's 3:30 in the morning on a Tuesday here in North Hollywood. I thought I would give you guys an insight on how election or how I vote here in the US para sa mga kababayan nasa Pilipinas. I thought I'd give you guys an insight kung paano ako bumoto or the election process here in the US. Normally what I'm going to do now, I do it weeks or days before the election. Procrastination came in, so I have to do some cramming. We do get a bunch of mailings days before the election. This is just a sample of the mailings that we get in the house. We have propositions, the election guides or voter guides from certain groups, the candidates. There's a bunch of mailings. The most important ones, of course, are the voter information pamphlet. Read through it. The bunch of measures dealing with water, the buildings, the construction of roads, dialysis patients, a bunch of measures. And of course, I do have the sample ballot. So read through all the mailings, and then on the sample ballot I go ahead and mark my intended votes so that when I go to the polling place it won't take me a long time. This is a sample of the ballots, so I go ahead and mark whoever I'm going to vote. These are the measures for this election. Okay. And most of the time, I don't know. I do vote along party lines, so I guess most people do also. So whoever they're signed with or whoever they believe on. Oh yeah, on the sample ballot, it does show you where you're supposed to be going, the time of the polling place, and so I guess I have to go to the school. It's the auditorium of a school. That's where my polling place is. So yeah, I take this with me. I go to the polling place. I'm gonna try to get some footage to get you guys insight on how the polling place looks like. Cameras are not allowed in the polling place, but I'll see if I can get some pasoy, So let's exercise our right to vote wherever you are.